Your electrician exam is open book, but time is your biggest enemy. Here's how to conquer the clock. Many exam takers fail because of the open book trap. They see the 1,000-page NEC codebook as a safety net, but it's a maze. With only 3 to 4 minutes per question, you're not just tested on your knowledge. You're tested on your speed. Wasting a minute flipping through dense articles on dozens of questions is a recipe for running out of time. Stress degrades your ability to navigate, making a confusing book even harder to use when the pressure is on. The right set of code tabs completely changes your exam strategy. A single code lookup in an untabbed book can take 45 seconds or more. With a tab, you can land on the exact article in less than 10. Saving just 15 seconds per lookup adds up. Over the course of the exam, this can save you 17 minutes or more. That's precious time you can use to double-check your calculations, review flagged questions, and finish the exam with confidence. Before you buy anything, know this non-negotiable rule. Your tabs must match your codebook edition, and your codebook must match your exam. The 2026 NEC renumbered articles and sections. Using 2023 tabs on a 2026 book will point you to the wrong pages, which is worse than having no tabs at all. Always check with your state licensing board to confirm the exact NEC edition they test on, then buy your codebook and tabs to match. Not all tabs are created equal. Look for 3 key features. First, lamination. Laminated tabs survive months of heavy study use without tearing or curling. Second, color coding. This helps you build muscle memory, allowing you to grab the right chapter instinctively without reading the text. Third, make sure they are pre-printed. Most testing centers prohibit handwritten notes or tabs, so clear. Commercially printed labels are required for you to be able to use your book in the exam room. For most exam takers, Mike Holt's electrical code tabs are the industry standard. They're worth the investment because the layout isn't just a list of articles. It's a strategic navigation system designed by a leading electrical educator who knows which articles are tested most. This set includes 96 durable tabs, plus practical bonuses like an electrical equations poster and Ohm's law stickers. These extras provide a quick reference for the calculation-heavy questions you're guaranteed to face on the exam. Applying your tabs correctly is a project in itself, so don't rush it the night before the exam. Plan on spending 2 to 4 hours. Start at the beginning of the book and work your way forward. Most importantly, stagger the tabs vertically so they don't overlap, and you can grab each one individually. Press each tab firmly to set the adhesive. Once you're done, start practicing. The goal is to build muscle memory, so finding articles becomes second nature. Your codebook can be your greatest asset or your biggest liability on exam day. The difference is preparation. Get your tabs set, install them carefully, and start practicing your lookups now. For more free study guides, practice questions, and an AI tutor that can quiz you on NEC articles, visit openexamprep.com. Build the speed and confidence you need to pass.